this video, I will show you how to fix Bolt app not working. And there are a couple of things that you can do, and I'm going to show you the best things in this video. So stick until the end, and then you'll be able to fix your app when it's not working. So first of all, open your app. That's the first thing that we're going to try. And when you have that done, you need to basically close the app and then close the app completely. So for that, you need to go to your activity center on your phone. And that is basically all the apps that are running in the background at the moment. And then you need to close Bolt in here and then just boot it up again. And this is basically rebooting the app. And this will solve most of the problems. But if this still does not work, then there are a couple of things that you can do as well. And that is by going to your settings. And from here, you need to go to applications. And once you are in there, you just need to search for Bolt. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on Bolt and then click on location. So as you can see, my location is not shared with Bolt. And that can also be a problem when running Bolt because Bolt is a taxi app and transportation app. And this requires having a location or something like that in order to run properly. So I would advise you to put it on while using the app and to have your precise location enabled as well, because this will cause the app to run smooth instead of not running smooth when you have your location switched off. So this is something that's really important for Bolt, and this will solve a lot of issues as well. So right now you can go ahead and check if this is working for you, but if it still is not working, then it can also be a problem with your mobile data or with your Wi-Fi. So go ahead and check if you are on a mobile data network at the moment and that your roaming is on and that you actually have network and that your cellular data is enabled for Bolt. And you can check that in the same section as in here. And down below you will see cellular data, and right now it is enabled. So this means that I can run Bolt on my cellular data. But if this is off, go ahead and enable this like I have it in here. So that is also something that you can try. If it still does not work, you can also go to your Wi-Fi network and then make sure that your Wi-Fi network is set up correctly and there are no problems. And once you are sure of that, you can also check if it is working right now. So if it still doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is to reboot your phone. And that is basically by holding your power button or something on your device that will allow you to switch it off and then just turn it on again and then check if everything you just did worked. So I hope in the end you will be able to run your Bolt app again. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.